Okay, guys, let's start again. Now, let's try to shifting the demand curve or the supply curve. And let's try to see what is going to happen to our equilibrium price and our equilibrium quantity. Okay, so what is happening here, guys? First, we are starting at DO as, okay, the intersection will be at price of 1 and quantity traded in the market is at 10, right? So what is happening here, guys? Demand curve has shifted to the right. Okay, demand curve has shifted to the right. Increase in demand. Increase in demand. Demand curve is shifting to the right. So what is happening here, guys? That was the equilibrium point before. Now this is the new equilibrium point. Once the demand shifts to the right, market price go up. Market quantity goes up. That makes sense, guys. Let me put that into a simple perspective, guys. Okay? What is happening with the property market in Australia, just say, okay? If more and more people are migrating to Australia, what is going to happen? Demand for property is going to increase. Shift to the right, yes or no? No wonder market price has gone up. Okay? And the quantity traded in the market has also gone up. Okay? Good. So demand increase, prices rises, suppliers are going to respond by supplying more to the higher price, and effectively we are going to end up at a higher price and a higher quantity traded. Remember my property example, guys? I hope you got the logic there, okay? Okay, what's happening here? Decrease in demand. How do we graphically show that, guys? How do we graphically show that? When you decrease demand, you shift the demand curve to the left. You shift the demand curve to the left. So, first we are starting at that point there. $1 and 10. Okay, $1 and 10. Then demand falls. Shift to the left. Price is going to drop. Quantity is going to drop. Right? In the context of the property market, guys. Okay. What can we say? Suppose, okay, more and more people are choosing to buy property somewhere else. Okay, not in Australia. Okay, they prefer to invest their money buying properties in Asian countries, just say. Okay, so what is going to happen to the demand for property in Australia? It's going to decrease, Tommy. Shift to the left. So market price for property can be expected to drop. Quantity traded can be expected to drop. Okay? Good. So demand decreases, price falls, quantity supply decreases, quantity traded in the market will decrease. So when demand shifts to the left, market price falls, market quantity also fall. Okay. Okay, guys, don't try to memorize all of this, right? Try to understand it, try to feel it, try to put yourself in the perspective of what is going on in the market. Okay? Economics is not something that you memorize, guys. Something that you have to feel, you have to understand. Okay? Okay, how about this? Increase in supply. Increase in supply, guys. You shift the supply curve to the right. You shift the supply curve to the right. When you shift the supply curve to the right, price is going to fall. Okay? Quantity is going to increase. Let me try to put this in perspective. Suppose, guys, there are more and more suppliers coming to the market to sell bottles of waters. Okay? Much more competition going on in the market. So the number of suppliers has increased. So supply will shift to the right. Okay? So we can expect market price will drop. Okay? Quantity trader will go up. Supply increase, price falling, quantity demanded will increase to respond to the lower price, which is caused by the shift of the supply curve to the right. Quantity is going to increase at the end. Okay? Supply shift to the right, price drops, quantity increase. Good. This is just going to be the opposite, right, guys? Decrease in supply. You shift the supply curve to the left. Decrease in supply. You shift the supply curve to the left. What is going to happen to the price? I think you've got so much better now in this, right? Price will go up. Quantity will go down, right? Supply shift to the left, price goes up, quantity traded goes down. Tommy, can you try to put this in perspective? Remember my banana example, guys? Cyclone Yasi affected the banana plantations. Okay, when the banana plantation were destroyed, supply will shift to the left. No wonder the market price of banana has become much more expensive at that time, and quantity traded was falling. Okay. Price shift to the left, price goes up, quantity traded goes down. Good, very good. I hope you are keeping up to this point. Well done.